The key bearer shatters peace and brings ruin.
Come on, Sebastian!
Ariel, wait! Slow down! There's no such thing, certainly not here.
Okay, I apologize for that short part. Basically, my audio software crashed and I lost like 3-4 minutes of... No, I lost about a minute, 2 minutes of my commentary. So that bit I'm just going to stick up. So I just cancelled it all and started it again so I didn't lose any more and anything decided to crash again. Which, let's face it could well do. Okay, so, yeah, apologize for that short part. Starting again. So yeah, in this part we're trying to find that wretched... Oh, we already found it. Yeah, we're trying to get back to Ariel's cave, sorry. Grotto. To find the grotto we simply follow the arrows. And don't worry, travelling like this is going to get a lot... Whoa! Whoa, crap, that's holy schmoly. There we go. He'll repair randomly and try to just attack you and rape you. During this recording progress, I've had so much problems with things. It's unbelievable. I've never had this problem before in a recording session. I couldn't find where I was meant to be going for like 3 or 4 billion gazillion times. Oh, let's go in the stream. Wait. And now, I have it crash on me. Oh well. Oh, don't maybe go in there. Fine, that's it, that's the last straw. You nearly forced me into the big glacier of loneliness. Oh, by the way, if one of your teammates gets blocked up there, like Dawn probably did, they will come back randomly. You can never be without your teammates as it's scripted in the game. There's always some code which will come back even if they fall off somewhere. Whoa. 5 of them? I was wrong, I didn't think there'd be that much. Yeah, I was right. Snacker's easy, just keep healing. He killed me once. Not in this recording, of course, because in this recording I'm awesome. So yeah, let's get out of here. Get out of this shite hole. Undersea cave. Okay, so Ariel's grotto isn't down there, it's down the other side. Take it from Snacker! What the heck does he follow us here? I don't like your attitude. My boy. Damn, I really blew my choices there. I need to be able to heal. Although too late. He gives you 100 experience points every time you beat him up. And you know, there's only this part of the game where you can successfully beat him up without, you know, just beat him up. You can't beat him up in the other parts of the game. Wait. Yeah, I was meant to go. What the hell's wrong with me? My boy. Yeah, so you don't get... I don't think you ever get over 9,000 experience points in this game, because I was hoping to make that sort of joke, so 9,000, but there's no point with it. Okay, let's flounder one. The shape here just looks like that crystal you have. No shit. I'm glad they didn't take out Sora's nipples. That sounds really random.
You've disobeyed me again. I told you not to leave the palace.
Okay, reason why, really quickly, is that in a few games they have taken nipples out because it's censoring and shit, which is really stupid.
How could you?
It's just totally balmy.
Young man, you're not from another ocean. You're from another world, aren't you?
Huh?
No shit.
Then you must be the key bearer.
How did you know?
You may fool Ariel, but you can't fool me. You don't know your dorsal fin from your tail. As the key bearer, you must already know one must not meddle in the affairs of other worlds.
Of course I know that, but...
You have violated this principle. The key bearer shatters peace and brings ruin.
Oh, Sora's not like that.
I thank you for saving my daughter, but there is no room in my ocean for you or your key.
Fool! If I do not seal this hole, you'll be abed with Heartless. Is that what you want? A world full of Heartless? I sincerely hope not, that you are king of evil. Oh dear, and here's where they take advantage of poor Ariel. It's the wrong thing to do.
My. The poor child suffers such deep sorrow. What a pity. If only there was something we could do. Wait, maybe she can be of some help. Yes, maybe she can be of some help to you.
Who are you talking about?
Oh, she would surely help you. She'd make all your dreams come true. Ursula can help.
How did...
Cold, my dear?
You're Ursula. Well, I was just wondering if...
It's all right. Helping others is what I live for.
I sincerely doubt that.
Let me guess. You wish to see other worlds. That shouldn't be too hard.
Kill her.
After all, your new friends came from another world.
What?
But they had special help. That mysterious key. Now, cheer up, sweetie.
Why does she have
You
tentacles?
have
They're disturbing my
special
mind.
too.
Why has this game got so much tentacles in it?
Now listen carefully.
My fish is going to swim in front of the camera and nobody will just see what happens after that, so just swim out of the camera. Or the fish. Eel. So what do we do after this? Well, since there's not much point going back, we may as well... There's a what? There's a whole heap of Heartless out here now. There, we've got it. Max AP's gone up, which is handy. Right, so after this I have no idea what we have to do. This world is always confused me, like I can never remember what I have to do in it. Why? Because I don't like... Well, talking points, one of my favourite worlds anyway. It's one of my most hated worlds. Yaizamat. In the name of all things moist. Yeah. Don't make me. Okay, you made me. Where's this hole lead to? Undersea garden. This is where they just were at. So what could they possibly be? I wonder greatly. Undersea gorge. I actually don't know where to go now. When in doubt, I guess we could head to the sunken ship again. Since Triton's made it pretty clear we're not meant to set foot back in his castle, his lair of doom, whatever, what have you. So whatever, we shall continue on. Oh wait, can't go near this. Oh wait, that's the place we just went to. Jeez, that was slow. Yeah, that just irritated me. Why are they... These things just irritate me now. They're not even funny. They were an okay stable anyway when the okay abilities. Shared, high jump, which is useless here. Aerial sweep, equip. I'd go back to where we... Yeah, aerial sweep is also useless in this place. I'd go back to where we came from. If you don't... How did I survive that? I must have had some sort of ability on, like, last one survives all, or some crap like that. Oh, great. I can't usually kill them like I used to. Where are they? Alright, that was it. I have no idea what was going on then. No idea whatsoever. No, great, giant, massive heartless. This one contains so much backtracking. You guys, why did you just leave it alone? Now I have to fight all the tiny ones as well. It was weird, the camera angle went all weird there. So, bye guys. Okay, Snacker's probably out here, so I need to sort of, you know, just think about that. If seriously Snacker's out here, I'm gonna go mental. Well, no, I'm not. I just don't want to see Snacker out here. Anyway, let's head back there. Okay, see you in the next part.